Hey everybody, Big Bear Ron here. I've gotten to where I drink instant coffee these days when I'm at home. There are two brand names that you see all over the place. One of them is Maxim and the other one is Taster's Choice. It's really kind of hard to find in small towns like I live in, ground coffee or even beans that I can grind up myself. But instant coffee tastes okay, and it's convenient. Okay, yeah, I can drink as much as I want, make it as strong or weak as I want. Anyway, hey, I'm going to make a little chicken salad from the bit of that chicken stir fry I did the other day. Yeah, how's the camera? Yeah, I'm the camera crew. And let's see. There we go. Yeah. In Korea, or where I live, I can find these eggs already cooked. I buy these all the time. Great instant breakfast, good lunch. But I buy them and I chop them up and put them in tuna salad and whatever. So I'm gonna put these in my chicken salad. I'm getting ready for the week. Get my lunch together or stuff that I'll make lunch with. And yesterday our boss bought us all pizza, and here in Korea, whenever you get a takeout pizza, they give you a container of pickles. And I've got some garlic Dijon sauce. I'm just going to throw these into the chicken salad. How about that? I'm going to put in a few almonds. And I'm going to do something that might seem a little strange. I got these dried blueberries and dried cranberries. I'm going to throw some of these into the mix. Yeah, I want that for the contrast in flavors and a little bit of sweetness. Okay. And if you saw my other video, the chicken that I just stir fried, I put in there some red peppers. Yeah, so it's all going to get crushed up. And yeah. After I get all this chicken salad made, I'm going to make some bread. I'll get into that when I'll make a separate video about that. And woo! Hot. So let's just drain these pickles. I'm going to just throw this Dijon mustard right on into the chicken, just let it mix up in there. There we go. Throw in just a little bit more mayonnaise, regular mayonnaise. And I'm not going to chop up the cranberries and the blueberries. I'll stir them in the way they are. Okay. Anyway, yeah, you should use your leftover food. Get creative if you need to be and make lunches. There you go. What do you think? Yeah. I just take it and put it in a plastic container, put it in the refrigerator, and I've got it. Yeah. Nice sandwich spread or potato chip dip. Yeah, okay. I'll put this away and clean up, and then we'll get into the bread making thing. Take care. Wait, not so fast. We forgot something. Yeah. Let's put the cranberries and the blueberries, and I know I chopped some almonds up in there. Let's just put a few in there that are whole. These are not roasted. These, if I want to roast it, I'll roast them myself. Okay, let's see. Smells so good. These blueberries are expensive though. They're kind of like almost 10,000 wons for a bag. But great for making muffins and bread and fruitcake. Okay. Stir it all up. There you go. Chicken salad. Yes. I'm always looking for an excuse to lick the spoon, huh? There we go. Ah, yeah. Perfect. Mm. Okay, let's see. There we go, into the fridge. Be right, be back in a bit. Maybe the next video.